National Stadium. Today we're gonna have Warsaw Winter Games, and we have 3 contestants from 3 parts of the world. So welcome Vibek from India, Johnny from Northern Ireland, and David from Mexico. They're gonna ice skate, they're gonna make pierogis, they're gonna do a lot of things that they didn't do in their lives. So stay with us and let's see who's gonna win. Okay, right now our 3 contestants are going to take a slalom, and who will be the faster will win. I'm gonna check the time. Guys, are you ready?
Happy to be.
Second place, Vibek! And the master, the winner, David! Yeah, David and his seal, yes. So, another competition, dancing with the seals.
Where is your seal, man?
Vibek is trying. Guys? He's just trying.
Where is your seal, man?
Come to us.
I'm gonna try this.
Record that, man.
I was trying to. This would be funny.
Vibek, go on.
All I wanna do is groove tonight. The moon shining and the
Wonderful.
Beautiful.
Johnny, let's go.
I can feel it coming over me. Let's get crazy while we're young and free.
Very happy. Thank you for that. David. David is.
We go out into the night, it's good. Money, we go. Let me give your body right. Make it good to swing.
You're the master of dancing with the seal. Congratulations. Vibek. 9. Congratulations. Yeah. Johnny, you and your seal is getting from me 10 points. 10 points and 10 points. Congratulations, Johnny. Congratulations. David. 10 plus! 10 plus for David! David! Yeah! Wonderful! You and your seal! That was just... Oh yeah! Look at her happy face! So much emotion going on here. That's the true friendship, guys. Really, really wonderful. Okay, our 3rd competition on our Zimowy Narodowy in Warsaw Winter Games is ice sliding. So, who's going to be the faster one? I'm going to take their time and we'll see. Vibek, 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! That's also counting.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
43 seconds for Vibek! Johnny, 3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
Give 32 seconds. He's winning right now. He's winning. David, go. Come on, come on. Yeah. Well, I'm not sure because well, but Johnny is the winner! Yeah! Well, and it looks just, I'm scared, so well done, guys, well done. Okay, so now let's transfer from Zimowy Narodowy to our cooking challenge. And that's our transfer. Liska, what a beautiful color! Look at this! And here...
Great, my name is Dominic.
Hi, I'm Marta. Woo! Oh God! Woohoo!
First time? Okay.
You just travel with style.
Yeah, this is the class. This is like the luxury.
Luxury.
Guys, competition here. What do you think is the year of production this car? David, go. What do you think?
1956.
Okay, Johnny, go.
1962.
Okay, Vibek, go.
90 around between 55 to 60.
Okay, now none of this is true. It's 1970. What?
1972.
1972. I knew that.
I was close.
I just forgot.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you are the closest one, but still not good. So no matter
Still not good.
Let's make some pierogi, guys. Where are we going? Oh my God. Welcome to Warsaw Culinary University, and now our contestants are going to make some pierogi. Are you ready for that? Mike, you're gonna teach our contestant here to make pierogi, right?
Yes, I will. So first they will make a dough by themselves, they will make a filling, and then we will see how they will manage how to make pierogi, like a real Polish dumplings. In the end, we will be rating how many dumplings each of you will do. We have potatoes, cottage cheese, and onion. First, water, butter, and salt. Fill the onion. But I saved the...
You cut my
Okay, so now the onion is almost cut, but still the stick holds everything together.
Oh,
So it's easier to cut it crosswise.
I never thought of that.
Okay.
Expert.
That's such a great tip. I have really big problems with cutting onion.
with
Now
second half.
with that.
How many fingers? Show me your fingers. Do you have all fingers? Okay, good.
Air moisture is important for the consistency of the dough. Sometimes you need to add more flour. And rest of the onions. We will again. A Polish grandma or grandpa would do about 10 per minute. So let's do at least 5 per minute. So now I take a little bit of filling, like a ping pong shaped ball, put it in the middle. And now it's the easy part. First, you need to close it. Pay attention so no filling will go into the edge, okay? Go with another side. And it's very important that the dumpling will be sealed very properly.
Welcome to the final competition, the pierogi competition. Now, Vibek will have only 1 minute. How many pierogi can he make? We will see. So, Vibek, are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. One pierog. Yeah, go, Vibek, go, So now you have 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1, 0. Free pierogi in 1 minute for Vibek. If I'm going like now,
Where is the judge? Wait for the judge.
Too much.
Don't remove me.
That's cheating. Yes.
Yes, is it okay?
No, this one will open.
Okay.
Not accepted. This one might survive, so I accept this one. And this one I accept.
Okay, so 2 pierogi in 1 minute for Vibek. Okay. So here we have Johnny. How many pierogi will he do in 1 minute? Let's see. Are you ready, Johnny?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, Johnny is making pierogi. Yeah, first pierogi. Okay. And 30 seconds, Johnny. Only 30 seconds. Go. 20 seconds, Johnny. 20 seconds for you. Come on, Jude. Yeah, with me. 10 seconds, Johnny. You can make the other one. Go, Johnny, go. Go, Johnny, go. When? The end. Stop.
Judge.
So, may I see?
Yeah, okay.
They are really good, you know? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yeah, Johnny is winning. David.
Good luck, David.
David, look at me. Do you want to win?
Yes, I do.
So, will you win?
I hope so.
Okay, so try, okay, please, because you need to make 4 pierogis.
Oh god. Okay.
But do it 5. Do 5 pierogis. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go, David, go. Okay, the first pierogi is ready in 14 seconds. Yeah, 20 seconds left. You have 30 seconds, David, and you have 3 pierogis. Oh my God, he will win. He's going to win. Oh, please, David, do it for me. 10 seconds, David, and you can make 5 pierogis, David. Just go, do it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! 5 pierogis.
Is it so sad?
Oh my God!
It's too small.
Very sad pierogi.
Is it too small?
That's too sad.
I would say it's 4.5.
4.5 pierogi for David, which makes him a winner! David! That's the end of our winter sports game. We have pierogi. Thank you guys that you made it. And well, I think that all of you won. Because what really matters is just a good time together in Warsaw. And you can have it if you come to us. like to Warsaw, not to us. But thank you very much for watching. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, David, and thank you, Vibek. And we'll see you sometime. Bye.
I'm Johnny, Northern Irishman living in Poland, enjoying the Warsaw life with excellent pierogi. We have 2 types and we made it ourselves. Come and visit Warsaw.
Hi guys, so I'm David from Mexico. People also know me like Chido Fajne. I strongly recommend you to come to Warsaw. It's the best city in Poland, so you have to check it out.
Hi guys, my name is Vibek. I'm from India. As you can see that I'm having pierogi, the Polish, one of the most famous food. Please visit Warsaw and experience the pierogi and different cultures. All the best!